washing to protect your health. Hand washing is very important to prevent infections. Protect yourself and others from illness by careful and frequent hand washing. Watch this program to learn the proper way to wash your hands. Follow these steps and ask your nurse or doctor if you have any questions or concerns. You should wash your hands often during the day. Wash your hands after using the toilet. Wash your hands before and after handling food. Wash your hands when you blow your nose or when you cough or sneeze into your hands. Wash your hands before you eat. Wash your hands after you change a diaper and wash the hands of the diaper wearer. Wash your hands after handling garbage. If you clean up animal waste, clean out a pet's cage or litter box, wash your hands. Wash your hands before and after you touch a sick or injured person. Wash your hands before and after you do a treatment or provide care to yourself or someone you are caring for. Hand washing is easy to do, but many of us do not do it as often as we should. You get many germs on your hands through the day when you touch doorknobs, surfaces, animals, and other people. You can infect yourself when you touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. You can also spread the germs to others. Protect yourself and others by washing your hands often. You can clean your hands with soap and water, or you can use alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Disposable wipes or towelettes can also be used. Follow these steps if you are washing your hands with soap and water. Turn on the warm water and wet your hands. Apply liquid soap or use clean bar soap. Rub the soap to form a lather. Rub your hands together for at least 15 seconds. Be sure to rub around your wrists, the backs and fronts of your hands, and between your fingers. You should clean any dirt from under your fingernails. You may want to use a small brush. After you have rubbed your hands well with the soap for 15 seconds, rinse your hands with clean warm water. Run the water over your wrists and rinse down your hands to your fingertips. Dry your hands on a clean towel or paper towel. Use the towel to turn off the water faucet. If your hands are not visibly dirty or if soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer. This does not need water and it is actually better at killing some germs than using soap and water. Be sure you have an alcohol-based sanitizer. Some waterless hand cleaners do not contain alcohol and they do not work as well. You may also want a product that has ingredients added to prevent skin dryness. Check the label. To use the alcohol-based hand sanitizer, place the product on the palm of your hand. Use about a half teaspoon or enough to cover about half an inch or 1.5 centimeters of your palm. Rub your hands together. Be sure to rub your wrists, the fronts and backs of your hands, your fingers, and between your fingers. Keep rubbing until your hands are dry. Be sure the sanitizer is completely dry before you touch anything else. Parents, teach your children good habits for washing their hands by being a good role model. Hand washing does not take much time, but it can do a lot to protect you from illness. Make hand washing a good habit to protect your health. You may watch this program as often as you want. At any time, if you have any questions or concerns about your medicine or treatment, call your doctor or nurse.